Welcome back, and today I have something super fun for you guys that I have enjoyed making. It's Olive Garden's Copycat Chicken Margarita. If you like that, it's a simple dish. It's actually a low-fat dish and super fun and easy to make. So we're going to get right into the marinade, okay? Now, into our bowl, I have 4 large, roughly pressed garlic cloves. We have our fresh thyme here. If you don't have fresh thyme, don't worry about it. Just use some dried in your spice rack, okay? Okay, a little bit of basil, just a little bit, because we really want more of that thyme flavor coming through there, okay? Oh, a little bit of oregano, just a little bit. Fresh cracked pepper, a good amount of that, and we're also going to use that later, okay? A little bit of salt, olive oil. And don't worry guys, the amounts and all of that will be in the description box below, okay? Lemon juice, a little bit of that white wine that we like, and as long as you've got a really good crisp, dry white wine, don't worry about going out spending $20 on a bottle of wine that you're going to use in cooking, okay? As long as it's nice and has a nice flavor, it's crisp and dry, it's going to work wonderfully for all of your dishes that you need a dry white wine in, which in Italian cooking are a lot, right? All right, whisking that together, then that is going to go in our bag with our chicken. And remember, I've showed you before on recipes to pound out that chicken breast, okay? And I like to do this. You can do this in a shallow bowl. I could have even added my chicken into this bowl and done it in here. I like to do it in a ziplock bag because that way you can seal out the air and you can just mush it around. See that? Look how easy that is. You get that good seal on that bag and you don't have to worry about it spilling or anything like that. See that? That way it's all through that tenderized chicken. See that? And then you just let it rest for about 30 minutes. Okay guys, our chicken has been marinating for 30 minutes in our homemade marinade. Don't you love that? It's so easy, right? Okay, so this is going to go on our grill pan. And we are going to partially cook it. We're not going to cook it all the way because it's going to finish in the oven. And make sure you watch to the end, guys, because I'm going to show you how to do that. It's so super easy. And remember, guys, this is Copycat Olive Garden's Margarita, Chicken Margarita. I always want to say that both ways. Margarita chicken, chicken margarita. So, we just want this to get good and partially done. We're going to get our grill marks on the one side. We're going to flip it over and get those on the other. Into your waiting pan. Okay guys, our chicken is in the pan, and now to finish our Copycat Chicken Margarita, we are going to take our provolone. You want to get non-smoked provolone cheese. And we're just going to lay a piece of cheese on each piece of chicken. And then a slice of tomato. If you want your tomatoes thinly sliced, you can use Roma tomatoes. You can use whatever's your favorite. Just use whatever's your favorite, okay? Then we're going to top this with our seasonings and throw it in the oven. A little bit of salt, just a little bit, because remember we already had salt in the marinade. Okay, a little bit of fresh cracked pepper. Just a sprinkle of dried thyme, just to amplify what we put in the marinade. And just a small touch of oregano into our 350 oven for about 20 minutes. Now, right before that is coming out to be served, we're going to take our fresh basil and we're going to layer that on. Okay, our chicken margarita is done out of the oven. It's plated and we're going to give it a little taste test. I can see those herbs on there, you guys. Oh, so beautiful. Let's try that. Oh wow, that marinade really went through that chicken, you guys, so well. Chicken, perfect with the grill, that little bit of grill on there and finishing it with that basil and tomato and herbs. Just beautiful. You guys are gonna love this, I'm telling you. I'm serving this, as you can see, with a little bit of orzo, and that's a favorite recipe of mine. If you like that recipe, make sure you leave me a comment on that, okay? And just simply some fresh steamed broccoli on the side, and that rounds that out so nicely, doesn't it? So, you guys, please give this a try and leave me a comment on that. Tell me how it worked out for you and what sides you chose to use with yours too, all right? And enjoy our Copycat Olive Garden Chicken Margarita, and we'll see you next time on Things Tina Does.